So what made you decide that you wanted to do intensive therapy in the United States?
Because at home, nothing to do it. Now I found the aphasia place and 3 years ago, but I didn't know Mondays. So I want to see better plays. I knew they were good. People like, after the years, I found there loads of people here more better read book. I want them there to more help me to go. I pay, but one life. The me and camera we made a film to go funds to people help me to go. Yeah.
What's the coolest part of this entire process?
I don't know. But they played a good kind people around kind people around they don't care but for stroke and aphasia. The home had to learn how them.
Mm-hmm.
Why? I don't know why, but I like their play because it kept people okay done. For home I had to learn how them, so it's hard to that every time talk. But here I care. Yeah, I want to show now. I can do volunteer titles.
Mm-hmm.
I can do.
So you learned that you can do a lot of things that you didn't think you could.
No.
Because you came here all by yourself. Volunteering.
Yeah.
What do you think have been your greatest accomplishments here?
Comfort. Though. Yeah.
Confidence?
Yeah.
Because when you first came here, what did you say you were always afraid to do?
Get out. The firstly the place. 3 days I was scared to go out. I waited to face a place and learn quite every day more. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So you showed yourself that you can go out and do this.
Uh-huh.
Now, what do you see as a difference between kind of what we're doing here and what you were doing in the UK?
The home neither every day, not a 1 hour, 1 week. I need every day, not a week.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, every day, not 1 day a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And an hour.
Exactly. The last question is, so would you recommend this program to other people?
Yeah, of course. Really?
Okay, is there anything else that you think of film-wise that you would like other people to know? People with aphasia, or maybe just people in general?
Walk on. You can walk on and learn how to self and read again and talk better and read again. Yeah.
All right, pretty good. All right, so we'll hold